How to turn on or turn off zoom follow focus on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Zoom. Then in here, we go down and tap on Follow Focus. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on follow focus. Once you have turned on follow focus, another option will appear, which is the smart typing. And here says smart typing will switch to window zoom when a keyboard appears and move the window so that text is zoomed. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.